Hey everyone, I really hope you can hear me, but if you guys were wondering what I use to feed, I use a Bobcat, an s570. Right here it is. It's 2-speed. I use the stick where the left stick is to move back, forth, drive, and the right stick's to lift the bucket. So we'll just go around this. Hopefully you can hear me with the wind, and it's starting right now. I'm just letting it warm up. It's a little dirty because it has been muddy and all that the past couple days, but here it is. You guys right. The only thing is this right here. This is coming off. You can see it. But if we hop inside, you guys can see inside. This, nothing special. Oh wow, almost fell. But here, I'll sit inside quick. Oh, shut that. Oh wow, it's kind of loud in here. Well, that's fine. But it's ready to go. That's how many hours it's on. 308.7. Put this down, this arm thing right here, then you gotta press a boom to go and you're good to go. We need to fill with gas soon. But like this stick is back and forth, and this stick is to move the bucket or whatever forklift. If I push up, it goes up. Simple as that. It's back, turn. You guys know how a Bobcat works, but I just want to show you off what I got. 570S or S75 Bobcat, whatever it's called. That's what I use to feed, and I really enjoy it. So I just want to show it off to you guys if you're wondering. But I gotta go feed the cows now, so catch you later.